Okay. Amelia Shaw, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
So our daughter has been living with me for 2 years. We're separated, and she's currently not paying any child support. And I thought maybe she would grow up, but I guess it's time to force her hand. So.
Okay. Any reason why you're not paying child support?
She makes a lot more money than I do.
Okay. Is that your only reason?
Amelia Shaw steps into court, determined to fight for the support her daughter deserves. For 2 long years, she's carried the weight of parenting loan, and now she's had enough. But her ex's excuse? She makes more money than me. The judge isn't buying it, and honestly, neither are we. What comes next might just turn this entire case upside down. Stay tuned, because the next twist is one you won't want to miss.
Well, I spend a lot of time, I'm trying to build my career. I'm a hairstylist.
Okay.
So
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I travel a lot. I don't have a lot of extra money.
When she says she travels a lot, she's at music festivals like every other weekend.
Every other weekend is a bit excessive.
It's networking. I'm trying to do hair for bands.
Let me ask you a question. How much are these trips costing you every other weekend?
Probably close to $1,000.
Close to $1,000, and you're going twice a month?
She tries to paint herself as a struggling hairstylist, just chasing success. But Amelia fires back with a hard truth. Nearly $1,000 a month blown on music festival trips. Her excuse? It's networking. But the courtroom isn't buying it. The glitter is starting to fade, and the reality is clear. That's when the judge leans in with a question that could change everything. Stay tuned, because things are heating up fast.
Yeah, sometimes.
You're spending $2,000 a month to go to music festivals when you could be paying child support. So that means you can afford to pay child support, right?
Well,
yeah. That means that, right?
I mean, yeah, probably.
So what's the reason that you're not paying? Because it can't be that she makes more money when you obviously have the finances to do it.
Well, if I'm being honest,
I would hope you are.
when we talked about having a kid,
At last, she admits it. She can pay child support. So the question is, why hasn't she? In an instant, the blame starts shifting backward toward past choices and the decision to have a child in the first place. But the judge isn't here for regret, only responsibility. And just when you think it can't get any more intense, the questioning takes a turn you won't believe. Don't blink. The truth is about to get even more uncomfortable.
I'm the biological mother.
I'm trying to
also
figure out,
biologically related.
but I'm trying to figure out what does that have to do with anything?
Well, it's kind of more on her, if you think.
Are you kidding me?
Well, if you,
Because I gave
even-
birth to
I don't even understand what's going on right now. What do you mean that it's kind of more on her? It's your child too.
she wanted it more.
But you wanted it too, right?
Yeah, you were on board with this.
I was.
So you're going to still be on board with paying child support then?
Then, in a desperate pivot, she tries to shift the blame onto Amelia, claiming you wanted the baby more. But the courtroom isn't buying it. Shared parenthood means shared duty. You help create this child, so you help raise her too. And that's when the judge leans in, ready to deliver a reality check that cuts deeper than anything so far. Stay tuned, because it's about to get real.
You don't get to pick and choose when you want to be a parent. It doesn't work like that. If you can spend $2,000 a month to go to music festivals, you can definitely pay her child support. And if you're out of town every other weekend, how are you seeing that child as much as
She
you
doesn't.
proclaim? That doesn't make sense.
I FaceTime.
She's
Face-
drunk when she FaceTimes. Half the time I can't hand the phone over.
Skipping visits, FaceTiming while drunk. The judge has heard enough, and she doesn't hold back. Parenting isn't something you opt in and out of. If you can spend $2,000 a month partying, you can afford to be present for your child, not just a music scene. With that, the court shifts gears. It's time to crunch the numbers. And trust me, you won't believe what the final support order comes out to. Stay tuned. The truth is about to hit hard.
Right, and I am not buying anything that you're over there talking about. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get straight into the child support, and you are going to pay, okay? And I know you have the money, because according to your tax returns here, you make about $800 a week, right? Okay, so I have your gross at about $3,200 a month. So you can afford to pay child support because you're spending $2,000 of that to go out of town.
The facade finally crumbles. Her party lifestyle is now officially on trial. With receipts laid out and no excuses left, the judge starts crunching the numbers, calculating exactly what this negligence has cost. And the math isn't about to be kind. How much should a weekend of partying really cost your child? The answer is coming, and when the judge reveals it, the reality check hits harder than ever. Don't miss what happens next.
How many children?
Just one.
Just one child? Okay. So I have your net at $2,474.58. Who pays health insurance?
We have Medicaid.
Medicaid? Okay. So Medicaid has to be reimbursed to the state because that is a state benefit. So you are the one who is going to reimburse that money to the state. So what I have to do is take 9% of your gross, and that'll give me the health insurance amount that you'll reimburse to Medicaid.
The judge lays it out. $3, $200 a month. No more hiding behind festival tickets. No more flimsy excuses. Between Medicaid reimbursement and child support, the numbers stack up fast, and every dollar is coming straight out of her paycheck. You'll be shocked at just how much she owes each and every month. The final total is about to be revealed. Stay tuned, because this is a moment that changes everything.
Comes out to $288. So when you add that to your monthly child support obligation of $494.92, that gets $782.92.
A month?
Yeah, exactly. So you can afford it.
I think one music festival a month is enough.
And maybe you should take your daughter with you to the music festival.
I don't think so.
No?
No.
Oh.
I don't trust that.
Oh. Well, you know, now that she's paying child support, you really can't dictate what she does on her weekends.
$782.92. That's the monthly price tag for skipping out on responsibility. The judge makes it crystal clear. Fewer festivals, more parenting. And in that moment, she realizes this is no longer debate. The order is set, the payments are real, and there's no escape. But custody? That's still hanging in the balance. Up next, the judge delivers a final warning that could change everything.
You wanted child support? You gave rights. You pretty much gave birth to a visitation rights. You understand?
Yeah.
And child support and custody are completely different. So that doesn't mean at any point, if she stops paying, that you can start denying her access to the child. It doesn't work like that.
Okay.
You all understand? Okay, anything further?
No, ma'am.
Anything further from you? Okay, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
The judge delivers a firm reminder. Paying support doesn't buy control. And withholding visits isn't justice. It's revenge. With the gavel down, both parties leave not just with a ruling, but with a reality check. Parenthood isn't a weekend option. It's forever. What do you think? Did the judge make the right call? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe for more courtroom drama where accountability always matters.